Hi, I'm Ben Jobrak, Product Manager at Aiphone. Today I'm here to introduce Nio Cloud, the fastest and easiest way to deploy the AC series access control system by Aiphone. Instead of installing Nio on your local Windows machine or server, you can create a cloud deployment in minutes. I'm going to show you how. First, start by logging into Aiphone Cloud on your web browser. Then navigate to the AC Nio licensing section. If this is your first deployment, you can use the Deploy New License button to get started. If you have existing deployments, you'll see a list of those here. Let's create a cloud deployment. You can tie it to an existing IXG site for easier integration later. First, give your deployment a name, Sean's Autos, a description, and a unique subdomain. This is the URL where you'll access your system once it's been deployed. Fill in the rest of the information on this form and then press Continue. Once you've created your deployment, it will prompt you to the licensing page. Here you can add the number of doors, I/O expanders, and elevator cabs required for your project. As you add panels and doors, it will display the price for these doors as part of your annual subscription. Once you've added the number of doors, I/O expanders, and elevator cabs for your deployment, click Continue, and you'll move to Stripe to process your payment. Let's start getting our panels ready to connect to AC Nio Cloud. First, you'll need to connect your panel to a switch that provides power over Ethernet and internet connectivity. Then, open the web browser on your laptop and navigate to your panel's IP address. Type in your server IP address provided to you as part of our documentation and click Set Panel Configuration. You can navigate to your deployment details page in Aiphone Cloud to add your panel's MAC address to your deployment. Once you've done that, it will show up in the Unknown Panels section of your Nio deployment. Once you receive the email saying your deployment is ready, click the link and it will open in a web browser taking you to your deployment. Once you've done that, you'll land at the Nio dashboard. From here, I can continue setting up my access control system the way my customer wants it. Here I can add users to my system. I can manage my door schedules and access schedules for my privilege groups, and I can set up partitions, sites, and areas. We can rename our default site to be Sean's Auto. After we've created a site, let's add our first panel. The panels I've configured to point to my deployment will appear here in the Unknown Panels tab. You can name the panel and pick the panel model. Assign it to the right site and set a unique password for your panel. You can upload a list of credentials via CSV, or to enroll a single user, scan an access control card on the panel. From that failure notification, you can click to create a new user. You can do all that and more with AC Nio, the best choice for powerful, flexible access control. For more information on the AC series, check out aiphone.com and the AC series product page linked below.